Christy, thanks. A roller coaster week for same-sex marriage in the Carolinas, and it took yet another turn today as the state Supreme Court stopped judges from handing out licenses. Now the question has become, when will this get settled? 7 on Your Side's Drew Smith gets answers from a local legal expert. Drew.
Amy, about 3 dozen same-sex couples in South Carolina hoped they'd be married tonight. That did not happen. The possibility of gay weddings in the state now looks to be at least a few weeks off.
It's day 4 since a historic Supreme Court decision to let a lower court ruling stand, overturning Virginia's same-sex marriage ban and throwing neighboring states into legal chaos.
Yeah, it is.
The news played out differently today across the Southeast. First, for a Charleston couple. They don't have a marriage license 24 hours after a judge accepted their application.
Well, it's disappointing that it wasn't issued now, but we know it will be.
This is our sanctuary where we will be getting married.
In North Carolina, a couple we talked to earlier this week waited today outside the Buncombe County Courthouse, but that office is not accepting applications yet, even as Asheville City Council draped a rainbow flag on City Hall.
And that's why I think it's fair.
Plus, now a North Carolina state leader is trying to delay a ruling that could overturn the state's ban. Meanwhile, West Virginia's governor said the state will not challenge court rulings, and gay marriages could begin there next week.
I give you this ring.
The timeline in South Carolina is not so clear.
I know that there are a lot of efforts and a lot of pressure on the court to move quickly, but it's hard to say. I was surprised things had happened as quickly as they did this week.
Ben Stevens is an attorney in Spartanburg. He specializes in matrimonial law.
I would hope that the district court would rule within the next month or so, but that may be optimistic.
Right now, even after the recent court decisions, same-sex couples in South Carolina do not have any more legal rights than they used to, including inheritance, insurance, and a role in health decisions.
That's really where the equal protection rubber hits the road, and that's why it's so important that this be addressed.
The South Carolina Attorney General put out a statement today after the SC Supreme Court put gay marriages on hold. Attorney General Alan Wilson says he will continue to follow his oath and defend state laws until this is all resolved in court. Amy.
All right, Drew, thanks for keeping us up to date. The fight in North Carolina is continuing tomorrow. The House Speaker there, Tom Tillis, and the Senate Leader, Phil Berger, filed court papers late today. They're asking a federal judge to delay his ruling on the constitutionality of the state's same-sex marriage ban. North Carolina's Attorney General already stopped defending that ban.